Ooh. So you're originally from Hawaii?
Right in Oahu, little town called Makakilo.
Makakilo.
Right on the mountain.
So what brought you to Key Largo?
My mother transplanted me when I was in high school. Not a bad place to get moved to.
Well, not a bad place to move from either, is it?
You're not lying.
You been back?
Absolutely, I go to every other year. 1 year my family comes over and the next we go over. It's a long flight, 12 hours.
My wife has been dying to go to Hawaii, so I guess on our 25th wedding anniversary this year, she's gonna get a couple of tickets. I don't know if she's gonna take me, but she's gonna get a couple tickets. There he is. Come on out, baby. Come on out. Staying down. Nice snapper. The illegal snappers here are what?
10 inches.
10 inches inshore. That'd be a sandwich there, huh?
Mm-hmm. Some good stuff.
Right, little snapper. Gray snapper. Mangrove snapper. So what do we got here, Tony, as far as the bottom and structure down there?
You know, there's a lot of little branches right along the mangroves, and as you can see, there's dirty water right across the mangroves here. There's a little bit of washout. It's only about 6 or 8 inches difference. And what they do is they ambush, they hide behind these branches, and there's a couple old logs down there that have been there for over 20 years or so, and they just hide on the back side of them and ambush everything that goes by.
Get your bait up there and see if you can get one to ambush you.
Absolutely.
That bait's dead. I'm gonna change this one out. Got the snappers chummed up.
I don't know if this is a snapper or not. No, Snook!
Cool.
Big Snook!
That turned into a real one, didn't it?
Oh, nice fish.
Oh. Good job there, Captain Tony.
Blair, get me.
He ain't ready yet, is he? You said they don't fight too hard here, huh? Beautiful fish, Tony. Come here, dude. Ooh, he just shook the hook out. Oh, check that brother out right there. Welcome to this episode of Addictive Fishing. We are down off of Key Largo. We got Captain Tony de los Santos with us. And haven't been able to fish with Tony for about, what's it been, about 8-9 years now? At least that. But back down in Key Largo, catching the targeted species right now. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be right back with some more Addictive Fishing. Captain Tony de los Santos and a beautiful day in the Florida Keys. Let's put this puppy back in the water, brother. Beautiful fish. He ain't been in the backcountry at all.
No.
You usually tell when they're in the backcountry, they get stained up like an Easter egg. That tannic water turns them all brown. Come on, he's almost ready. And off he goes, right under the boat.